Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. It's a sunny Thursday afternoon. Good morning, guys. It's a sunny Thursday morning here in Florida. And could you hold the camera straight? Hey guys, so we are here on this boat. What boat is this? Hey guys, so we are here on this sea hunt. The problem we're having right now with this sea hunt is that the gauges are not coming on, and that you can see that tachometer, the backlight's going out. It seems like the screen has burnt from just heat exposure and sun exposure. But something interesting that we noticed is when you key on, nothing happens, which it's supposed to key on and turn those gauges on. But if we hold the key switch just a little bit, the gauges then come on. So that's an indication that the key switch is going out. We're going to be swapping out the key switch, and we will also be swapping out this gauge, and we will show you guys shortly the end result. So here is our old key switch, here is our brand new key switch, and it's got the new style buzzer. Yeah, and pretty much it. We're gonna plug this new one in and we'll see what happens. So we just got this reinstalled, this key switch, new gauge, and as you can see, we just keyed it on. The gauges are working, voltage, mile per hour, fuel. Also, our tachometer is working, and our trim position seems to be picking up a signal. And that is it. We are complete.